Hello everyone and hello Star Wars fans. Today I'm going to show you some really nice toys. They are actually clones of Lego, and I'm not afraid to say that they are clones. They are 100% clones of the same Lego kits that you can buy in stores. The only difference is the price. This type of Chinese clones are about 3 to 4 times cheaper than the original one, while the quality is I will say 90% of the original kit, so it uses the same quality of plastics, the same manuals, same prints, so it's almost identical. Only some minor issues that you can see on the paint or where some pieces join together, but only in minor cases and not to the full set. So it's really nice, and you can get a lot of models. As you can see here, you have various guys from the movies, including Darth Vader, Obi-Wan Kenobi, and so on. And you also get characters from the newer movies, such as Kylo Ren and Finn, and of course the new lady of Star Wars, Rey, and so on. Let me show you what's in the box. So you will get the character looking like this. It's a common Lego building type of assembly. You can see some of the parts there, and you have to assemble it part by part. And you also get a nice manual. And this is Captain Phasma, and it comes with a cloak included. You can see it has this nice red thing here, which is not glued, but it's actually sewed on this. It's, I don't know, it's kind of a cloth or something like that. So there was attention to details, and the manual is really nice. As you can see, it's actually the Lego manual, and it shows how to assemble the character part by part until the final assembly is over. And what is also nice about this kit is that it comes not only with the character, but each character has some special features. For example, Captain Phasma here can shoot with the laser gun, and it throws a small plastic part that resembles a laser bolt. And the final character assembled looks like this. For example, this is Kylo Ren, and it's a bit dusty because I had this on display. For example, Kylo Ren has this turning wheel here, and it animates the hand that holds the laser sword, while this is fluorescent, so it charges with light and glows in the dark. Of course, it glows green, even though it's red in color. And you also get Rey looking like this, with nice fiber cloth, and it has also this animation thing here, and you get a stormtrooper looking like that, and this one is shooting with the laser, and you have a replacement one, and it changes color, and you can launch this like that. And you get the pilot. Maybe this is Poe Dameron or not. He can shoot its gun, and you can also replace the weapons. You can take this big gun off, and it has a laser bolt here, laser gun here, and a blaster. Sorry, it's a blaster. So you can put this smaller blaster here. You can exchange it, and you can wear it like that. And let's put the big gun back, just like that. You have this other type of character with a big gun, has radio. This doesn't have any kind of animatronics or things like that. You get, of course, the bounty hunter has two guns. You can take them off, he can wear them like that. He even has the rocket on its back, and this thing can be launched like that. I'm not going to launch it very hard, but let's see if I can get that on camera. So it's not something, of course, too extreme, but it kind of resembles the original character very nice. And here is Darth Vader with his huge lightsaber. He has a cape, of course. Very nice textures on his arms and legs. And last but not least, the one that I like the most, it's General Grievous, and this thing is huge. I must say that all the characters are scale characters, so this means that their sizes should be in comparison with the movie size. So this is Rey, this is General Grievous. Of course I need to assemble General Kenobi so he can say hello there. Alright, and what's nice about the General Grievous is that it has all the four hands, and just like in the movie you have these clips here, and you can actually connect. You can remove this armor from here and you can connect two arms together, forming one single arm, just like the movie. And of course you can take them, you can separate them and things like that. Really nice. All the legs are articulated on all the characters. Even the clothes are articulated here. All the lightsabers are glow in the dark. The armor moves, the knee armor and so on. So really nice. And you can see you can actually get a bunch of characters for less money, and this is very nice. Maybe you have a kid that loves Star Wars, maybe you are a fan but cannot afford buying the whole collection, and you can get these cheap ones which look really nice, and you can have fun assembling them. So until next time, bye bye.